Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch ES and I'm gonna show you how to track the amounts of steps taken on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can check the amounts of steps taken in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face. Some of the watch faces have the step counter on them and you can check it right here. The other way to do it is to swipe left on the screen to open or rather scroll through the list of widgets, and once you find the activity widget, this one, you will see the amounts of steps taken right here. You can then swipe or tap on this widget, I believe. Oh, never mind, you can't. To open the widget, you can open the menu by pressing the side button, then tap on activity records, and here you can scroll up on the screen to see the more statistics for the steps. Basically, we have the amounts of steps taken and the goal. Okay, if you want to check even more statistics or more detailed statistics and your watch is paired with a phone, you can do it by opening the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with your watch. So I'm gonna move the watch aside, bring the phone here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Huawei Health application. Once you open the app, you should see the health page, and on it you should see the activity widget. And on the activity widget, you will see today's steps. And you have some number out of the goal. You can tap on this to open the step statistics, and we have the daily statistics, the weekly, monthly, and year. And you can check the data right here. And once you're done, you can of course close the app. And that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.